Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello, fellow truckers. In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner multiplayer, guiding you through the process step by step. This incredible game allows up to 4 players to team up and conquer challenging terrain together. The good news is that full crossplay is supported across all platforms, so you can easily connect with friends regardless of their system. Before diving in, remember to complete the tutorial and unlock your first garage in single-player mode. This ensures you have a solid foundation for your cooperative adventures. To host a multiplayer session, navigate to the main menu and select Start Co-op Game. You'll then choose the save slot and map you wish to play on with your friends. Decide whether your session will be private for invites only or public for anyone to join. You can also set the player limit, accommodating anywhere from 2 to 4 players. If you're playing with friends on different systems, make sure crossplay is enabled in your game settings for a smooth connection. Joining a friend's game is straightforward. The host will generate a unique cross-platform invite code found within their Manage Party menu. You'll then select Connect to Session by code from your own co-op menu and enter this code. While joining players earn valuable experience and money, remember that mission progress is saved only on the host's profile. You can bring your own retained trucks or utilize any vehicles the host has deployed in their game. For the best multiplayer experience, always retain your vehicles in the garage before leaving a session. This prevents them from getting lost. If using mods, ensure everyone has the exact same ones enabled to avoid connection problems. Clear communication with your team is key for coordinating tasks and helping each other out of sticky situations. Don't forget to enable the Allow Other Players to Winch My Truck setting for easy recovery. Finally, consider scouting ahead with a nimble vehicle to plan optimal routes for your heavier trucks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.